welcome back to another look in this video. Today we are going to be torturing cameraman. Well, not torturing, just repairing him. Uh, he's like one of those cameramen that like broke, and he's not a compatible working cameraman, so we have to turn him back human. Yeah. Uh, who am I? Where am I? Don't worry, buddy. It's just the effects. The effects to what? You have a camera head. You applied to join the Skibbity War as a cameraman, but things went wrong, and we'll have to revert you back to human. But why? I want to be in the war. I want to be a veteran. Well, you'll just break and explode because your camera had malfunctioned. This happens to a lot of people, buddy. Now, come with me. So, bud, you ready for this? Yeah. Let me just get my saw here. Why did you have to use a big saw? Don't worry. Makes it easier. Alright. What? That didn't turn out expected. I could probably turn him back to human now, but he would only have one leg and a head. Yeah. Failed one. We need to get him down safely. Wait one. Oh, wait 1 second. All right, we're back. Um. Yep. Yep. Here we get. But Yep. What? Why aren't I in the Skibbity War? Oh, you remember well. We kind of had to stop you from going in there. Why? Why? Your camera's kind of broken, as you can tell by your vision. Oh. So we're gonna have to get that camera off you. And the last one, he didn't go well. Please don't hurt me. Oh, no, I won't. That's because I used the saw on him. I'm gonna use something else for you. Right here. What people in the back days used to use on, like, killing people or something. It'll cut your head off. But won't that kill me? Well, it's supposed to, but here, no, because we will revive you with a head, with your head, or a head of somebody who applied for cameraman that didn't make it through. So yeah. Mm, mm. Could you please be a normal person here? I don't want to use the harder way. Alright, yeah, nice and good. I don't want to die. Sorry, buddy. Wait, why can I still see? Well, this must be very anticlimactic for you. Alright, Mr. Cameraman. Let's reposition you so the thing might actually get you. Yeah. Alright, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna reposition you here to see if it can get your camera. Oh, it got his camera alright. But also his arms. Eh. He's going on the good side. People can survive without arms. Many people have done it before, but I would think this would survive, so let's just put him by the fire pit. What are you looking at? You're not even supposed to be here. Go somewhere else. Just go somewhere else. Oh, I lost my song. What do you mean, no? You just lost your feet and a hand. Alright, that's it. You say no to me. By now, if people watch my channel, this is kind of like a daily basis type thing. Alright, back to what I was doing. We need another one. Yep. I'm supposed to be in the war. Don't dismember me. Oh, you actually know. I have a good idea on something we can use. Wait a minute. Wait a. Alright, but, yep. Just gonna put you in here. Gonna position your head in between the stuffs. Wait, wouldn't that destroy my other body? Nah, I don't think so. This shouldn't do anything. This should be painful. Painless. Alright, what's going on? Let's go. Cameraman. It worked, but I don't think he's gonna survive with just one arm. Just gonna put him over there. Didn't I sentence you to death? Mm. Oh, what happened? Don't worry, buddy. We're just gonna get you a normal head. What's going on over there? Nothing of your concern. Yep, nothing of your concern. So you're gonna get the camera off me? Yep, since you were not compatible. Why do I have to stand on here? Since this thingy thing don't work over here, I'm gonna use this one, which is way bigger and stronger. Alright, now this is just stupid, but I'm trying it because I don't want this thing on my head. I never agreed to being in the war. Alright. Definitely not surviving that, that's for sure. I think it might be a little too strong. Let's see, does this one work? Yes, it absolutely does. Oh, there's my physics gun. Just to make sure, I'll stop torturing him after this, because this is about Fixing the cameraman, not torturing Brain. But, yep. Hey, buddy. Whoa, you're a weird one. What do you mean? Well, not trying to be mean, but do you have human hands? Yeah. How are you surviving? I'm just not gonna ask. But we need to dismember your camera head. So I'm just gonna put it in there. Won't this kill me? Yes, but let me just can carry your legs up, which would hold your body up. What about my arms? I'm getting to your arms. Wait, how did you freeze me in place? Don't worry about that. Oh my. Did it? Is this actually. Did it? Of course it didn't work. Of course it didn't work without that. That destroyed the other body. Just gonna put a glove on that one hand that he has. Only one person had been successful. These actually, going. People are gonna miss you, but my job to do that. Next, here, guys. Next, we have his big hammer. Oh dear, I know what this place is. Oh, you do? Well, your lucky day. You're gonna get to feel what everybody else here has felt like. Of course. Isn't this a torture play? Let's not talk about what he was gonna say. Well, that didn't work on swinging his camera head off, so let's try smashing it off. How do you think that's a good idea? Oh, you have human hands. Wow. No hammer. This way. Also weirdly didn't work. Alright, you're compatible. Then why am I here? Training. Oh. Oh, whoops. Wrong attachment. To make sure you are cameraman compatible. When speakermen show up and you can't handle it. Alright, let's see what happened. I can do this. See, easy as K. Alright, this isn't going too well, not for anybody. Oh, that killed me. Wait, whoops, I'm did reporting for duty. You have human hands and the wrong camera head. I'm sorry, I'm told to do this. Wait, what? Yep, had to do it. Yep, some of these will be tests too. So like if somehow a speaker man thing made it zero gravity, what are you gonna do? What? I don't know. Wait a minute, I just realized something, which I'm going to have to try. What do I look like? Cause I've died so few times, but every time I've died, I never get to see what I look like. Hmm. Uh, then we'll see in a little bit. Now, where were we? Over here. This one is the best one. One of the most efficient. Yep. Wait, what? Most efficient? Yes. Yep. One of the most efficient. Because they just razor that nice camera head off. Oh, okay. This should work. Why are my machines not working for sake? Why? These are not your machines. They are my. They are mine. Alright, back out, Swear. Wow, two of you guys. Why do I have my flashlight on? But wow, two of you defective peoples. Well, time to get you both started. Did you already make them lose? Oh. This one should razor your head off, and you're a special one. He's one of the people that was going to be a big cameraman, but then switched to a regular one, but then broke, meaning there's something in his stomach that we need to retrieve. Wait, what? Why are you cutting my head off? You'll see. Hopefully this one works. Oh my. Take his head. Ugh. Well, let's do this one. Oh, you dead. Why aren't these all working? I'm gonna put this one over here because he's still alive. I should put him out of his misery. Hey, did you kill one of us? Alright, yep. Hey, yeah, it's true. I know you're disassembling me, but stop stealing these guys' machines. Alright, everybody here gets punished. Ow. Doll fiddlesticks. Doll fiddlesticks indeed. Time to see what I look like. Wee! Yay! I get to see what I look like. Eee! Oh, all this shows is a medic rebel. Or whatever it's called. Not even my head. Ugh. Ooh, I have a good idea that these will work. I think they stopped putting gloves on them. Dr. Kleiner, move. Alright, buddy. This will only hurt a lot. Like, a lot. But I am 99.9% sure that you won't die. Now let's razor that head. We completely missed the head. We completely missed the head. Alright, now try. me try it on me since it didn't hurt him the first time. Let's see it. Why does it remove my head? Alright. That had nothing to do with this. I guess he just had a heart attack. But we are positively sure that you are so flexible you could be crushed. But the camera isn't. I'm gonna have to bring a complaint to the work department because of that. No, no, no. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. No, 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 don't spawn cameraman. Too late now. Oh dear. Somehow, one way or another, all of this stuff is gonna get you. That was anticlimactic. Why am I still alive? You won't be alive for long. I'm gonna end all this. Yeah. I'm gonna end all this. Yeah. Do I get to see my face here? I do. Who am I? Oh, I'm good. He's down there for no reason, so I had to. What? Oh wait, yeah. You regularly die. Alright, buddy. This one I made and it was approved. Dang it, too late. Let's see what the end result was. Everything hurts. Alright, since you still have a camera, we're going in for another round. Oh, please. Yeah. Going in for round 2. Yep. Yep, he'd be dead. I don't even know why this was approved. Eh. There's plenty of more ways. Like this way here. I don't know which way it is, but we can try it. It's probably a efficient way, because it has a platform going down. But where's the machine? Oh. Oh, what's going on? Oh. Yep, he got destroyed. Same with me, yeah? Oh, for a second I thought the camera was still there. Huh. Good thing it's not. Yep, it's not. Alright, buddy, I think I have an idea. What is it? How about I shoot you out of a cannon? What? No, don't shoot me out of a cannon. Of course I'm gonna shoot you out of a cannon. Did the camera get removed? No, looks of it, the whole body got removed. But hey, we're down a buddy. Do you want from me? I've seen what you've done to the others. Just go right here, buddy. Now, this should disassemble your head off of your camera head off of your body. YouTube, please do not get rid of me for gore. Ooh! Killed about everything but him. Only injured one of his arms. Well, that means you're gonna get used in the next test, buddy. Just crouch. I'm positively sure this one will work. Full speed ahead. That did not work. Alright, didn't work as good as I planned. People, get off of the train tracks. That's dumb. Wait, 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 what are you doing? I'm not staying on these train tracks. Nobody would ever stay on these train tracks. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to stay on the train tracks, buddy. 'Cause you're tied onto them. Yep, every classic train story. And of course, Lee, people are choosing to kill one person. Wait, kill? I thought this was supposed to fix his head. Why did it kill me? For a second it was an untouched version of me. Go back, buddy. I did even, yep, killed the cameraman. Did even, hardly even hurt me. Big fail. Nope. I pressed the wrong button. Alright, buddy, you're gonna go in here. Wait, what? Why? 'Cause it's fun. Ew. How did you survive that? You didn't get a single injury. You should have been accepted. But I know what to do with you. It's the perfect plan to try out my new machine. This should definitely delete your head because it's a metal parts get rid of machine. Oh. It's a body eliminator. Yay! Oh, it still kills them. Well then. I'm just gonna quickly end his pain. But alright, then don't worry what happened there, guys. I'm just gonna throw away all the bodies because I don't think corporate would want to know that there are still that I actually found. Well, I don't think corporate would want to know that so little cameramen could actually get their thing back. So like, yeah. Pew! Tried again, but it didn't work. But yep, gonna do that. But we have more things. Yay! What are we doing now? Now we're gonna throw you in a blender. See if that helps. Don't listen to him. So we're gonna throw you in plus that guy that said no, and that should replace your head with his head and make everything normal. And a quick thing. Oh no, instead we have the red grimace shake. Let me just take a slurp. Oh yeah, guys, breaking the fourth wall sometime today or just sometime I am going to be making the grimace shake and trying it out. Let's hope I don't die. Yes, I have the materials to make a grimace shake. Alright, let's go. Why are we going on an elevator? Because we need to do things. This is weird. You're acting like you know what the others have been through. Well, I don't. Alright. What? You're not supposed to be up there. What a nice view. Well, if you go head first, I'm sure your camera will fall off. What? Oh no, he's not going head first. And oh, they spawned another one in already. Alright. You're gonna go down these stairs here. Okay. And just to show you that it's safe, let's have this man go down. I'll see you on the flip side. Yep. 1 second while I get him. Wee hee. I'm surprised I'm not dead. Oh. Still alive? Boo! Just gonna remove him from this existence. What? Nothing. Go down. Alright, I'm sure this is safe. Wait a minute, that's just a pit. I think it worked. Nope. Let's see, do I have anything else? I have one more thing. Lucky me, you're the last person of the day. Alright. But you're not supposed to stand up here and be frozen. Oh, well then, why are you starting? I'll see you when I get down. They gave me a whole new idea for more. So, oh. Ew. Ew. Hey. Alright, buddy. This should surely get rid of you. What? I mean, get rid of your head. Oh. It. Oh. It didn't. What about this? Bit too close. You. I'm gonna try and remove your head now. What? Why me? Why not a new one? Oh no, they might have ran out. Mm. Ah, dang it. Why does it have to be me? Because it just does, okay? I have one more up my sleeve. Uh, so what are you gonna do with me now? Because you've done everything. I'm gonna do this. What? Nobody here did good. So I'm destroying them with their torture devices once I end the video. But guys, that was trying to repair. That's a kind of long name, but yeah, this was repairing cameramen. Mm-hmm. Well, we tried to, but all of them ended up dying one way or another. Don't worry how. Just one way or another. And then when I end this, everybody will be destroyed by their own machines. Yes, everybody. I'm surprised this one's still alive. Well, I'll see you later, guys, and I hope you guys have a nice time. Toodaloo.